Real estate agents play a pivotal role in the buying, selling, and leasing of properties. But what does a typical day in their life look like? From early morning preparations to late-night negotiations, this video delves into the realities of a real estate agent's daily grind. In this video, we will uncover the secrets behind their success and challenges. Welcome to another video. Let's get started with the video. Inside a day in the life of a real estate agent, all the secrets revealed. Morning hustle. A real estate agent's day often starts before sunrise. Morning routines are crucial for setting the tone of the day. This time is used to plan the day, respond to inquiries, and get up to date with market trends. Many agents also engage in personal development activities, like reading industry news or practicing mindfulness to stay sharp. Agents often begin by checking emails and messages from clients and colleagues. These early hours are also a prime time to review market analytics, prepare listings, and organize their schedules. By starting the day with a focused mindset, agents can handle the demands of their profession more effectively. Networking and lead generation. Building relationships is a cornerstone of a real estate agent's career. Whether it's connecting with potential clients through calls, engaging on social media, or attending community events, agents constantly work to keep their client pipeline full. Successful lead generation ensures long-term business growth. Agents frequently use tools like customer relationship management, CRM, software, to track interactions with potential buyers or sellers. Networking events, virtual webinars, and online platforms like LinkedIn are also popular avenues for expanding their reach. In addition to personal connections, agents collaborate with other professionals such as mortgage brokers and inspectors to stay in the loop about market trends and opportunities. Property showings and open houses. The late morning and early afternoon are typically reserved for showing properties to buyers and hosting open houses. These activities allow agents to showcase properties, answer client questions, and gather valuable feedback. This part of the day demands adaptability and strong interpersonal skills. Preparing for property showings involves more than just unlocking doors. Agents often arrive early to ensure that the property is staged correctly, lighting is optimal, and any last-minute issues are resolved. They also anticipate questions from prospective buyers and arm themselves with detailed information about the property's features, neighborhood, and pricing trends. Behind-the-scenes work. Much of an agent's efforts happen away from the public eye. They spend hours drafting contracts, coordinating inspections, and negotiating deals. This administrative work is essential to ensure smooth transactions and requires meticulous attention to detail and legal expertise. Agents also invest time in researching comparable market analyses to help clients price their properties competitively. This involves analyzing data on recently sold properties, current listings, and market demand. Balancing paperwork with client-facing duties can be a challenge, but it's an indispensable part of the job. Afternoon meetings and client consultations. Afternoons often include face-to-face meetings with clients to discuss buying or selling strategies and refine search criteria. Agents also collaborate with their teams or other industry professionals to move transactions forward. Clear communication during these sessions builds trust and strengthens relationships. These consultations are tailored to each client's needs. For buyers, agents may refine property searches based on feedback from showings. For sellers, discussions often revolve around pricing strategies, marketing plans, and progress updates. Regular communication helps agents build credibility and foster long-term relationships. Evening wrap-up and follow-ups. Evenings are busy with follow-ups, planning for the next day, and sometimes hosting late showings or completing negotiations. Agents also use this time for professional development by attending webinars or improving their skills. The ability to work efficiently in the evenings is critical to staying on top of responsibilities. The end of the day often involves reviewing the outcomes of earlier meetings, sending follow-up emails, and preparing for upcoming showings. This is also a time to reflect on the day's achievements and address any unresolved issues. Many agents use evening hours to update marketing campaigns, refine listings, or brainstorm creative strategies to attract clients. Challenges and rewards. The real estate profession comes with its own set of challenges, such as unpredictable schedules, high competition, and emotional demands. However, it also offers financial rewards, personal fulfillment, and the flexibility to manage one's own schedule. Successful agents find ways to balance these challenges with the perks. Real estate is a field where no 2 days are alike. From managing difficult clients to dealing with market fluctuations, agents must remain adaptable and resilient. The profession requires a thick skin and a problem-solving mindset. On the other hand, closing deals and helping clients achieve their dreams of homeownership are among the most rewarding aspects of the job. Secrets to success. Top agents excel through effective time management, relationship building, continuous learning, and leveraging technology. Their resilience and adaptability allow them to thrive in a competitive market. These traits set them apart and help them achieve long-term success. Technology plays a significant role in modern real estate. From virtual tours and 3D walkthroughs to AI-driven market analysis tools, agents who embrace innovation gain a competitive edge. Additionally, continuous education through workshops, certifications, and industry conferences helps agents stay ahead of the curve. For more videos, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching the video.